Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the earphones and your phone. Make sure the earphones have at least 20% charge so they can stay active during pairing. On your phone, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth, or pull down Quick Settings and tap Bluetooth to enable it. Keep the devices close, 1 to 2 meters, and turn off airplane mode if active. Once Bluetooth is on, put the earphones into pairing mode so your phone can discover them. Now, with Bluetooth enabled, put the earphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power or pairing button until the LED flashes. On your phone, tap Scan or Refresh in the Bluetooth list. You should see the Oneplus model appear. Tap the device name to connect and confirm any pairing code or permission prompts that appear. Make sure media and call audio are checked in the Bluetooth profile options. Once paired, the phone will show connected and route audio to the earphones. Finish by testing playback and microphone. Play music and make a quick call or voice memo so you can confirm both audio and mic work. Adjust volume on the phone, and if available, open the Oneplus Earphones app or phone equalizer to fine-tune sound. If connection fails, unpair and remove the device from Bluetooth list, then reset the earphones per manual and restart your phone before retrying. This reset sequence resolves most issues. If still failing, inspect for firmware updates on the earphones or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.